IELTS Speaking Test. 1. What is your full name?
My full name is Salimuddin, but you can just call me Salim.
Do you work or are you a student?
At the moment, I'm working in the consultancy sector, mainly on environmental and social projects, but I also try to keep learning new skills like GIS and English communication.
Do you enjoy reading books? Why or why not?
Yes, I do. Reading helps me relax and also gives me new ideas. I mostly enjoy nonfiction, especially books related to environment and social development, because they are directly connected to my field.
How often do you use the internet?
I use the internet every single day, both for work and personal use. It's essential for research, communication, and even entertainment.
Do you prefer living in a city or the countryside?
I prefer living in the city because it offers more opportunities for work, education, and social activities. However, I sometimes miss the calm and fresh air of the countryside.
What kind of food do you usually eat at home?
I usually eat homemade Bangladeshi food like rice, lentils, fish, and vegetables. It's healthy, affordable, and something I grew up with.
Sample cue card topic. Describe a place you have visited that you found very interesting. You should say where it is, why you went there, what you did there, and explain why you found it interesting.
One of the most interesting places I have visited is Cox's Bazar, which is located in the southeast of Bangladesh. It's actually the longest natural sea beach in the world. I went there with my family during my university vacation. We stayed for 3 days, and every day we spent time walking along the beach, watching the sunset, and eating fresh seafood. The atmosphere was very lively with tourists from different parts of the country, yet at the same time it felt peaceful because of the sound of the waves. What made it truly special for me was the combination of natural beauty and cultural experience. I also visited nearby places like Himchari and Inni Beach, which were less crowded and more scenic. I found Cox's Bazar interesting because it reminded me how beautiful my own country is, and it gave me a sense of peace and connection to nature. It's definitely a place I would love to visit again.
Why do people like to travel to new places?
I think people travel to new places because it brings excitement and breaks the routine of everyday life. It also gives them the chance to learn about new cultures, taste different food, and see things they can't experience at home.
Do you think travel can change the way people think? How?
Yes, absolutely. Travel can broaden people's minds. For example, when someone visits another country, they may realize that people live differently, and this can make them more open-minded and tolerant.
What are the advantages and disadvantages of tourism in a country?
The main advantage is economic growth, as tourism creates jobs and brings income. It also promotes cultural exchange. The disadvantage, however, is that too much tourism can damage the environment and sometimes disturb local communities.
How can governments protect popular tourist destinations?
Governments can introduce strict environmental regulations, limit the number of visitors in sensitive areas, and promote eco-friendly tourism. They should also invest in infrastructure to manage waste and pollution properly.
Do you think virtual reality could replace real travel in the future? Why or why not?
I don't think so. Virtual reality can give us a glimpse of a place, but it can never replace the real experience of touching, smelling, and interacting with people. Travel is not only about what you see, but also about the emotions and memories you create.